Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where classic motorcycles, real-world prices, and rare finds come together across the U.S. market. Number 1. 1979 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster, $1,900, Hawkeye, Iowa. This 1979 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster represents one of the most affordable entry points into vintage American V-twin ownership. Powered by the legendary Ironhead engine, this bike carries the raw mechanical character that defined Harley-Davidson in the late 1970s. With 45,046 miles showing, it's clearly been ridden and enjoyed rather than hidden away, which often speaks well of long-term durability when properly maintained. According to the seller, the bike ran and rode last season, though it will need some basic recommissioning before regular use. A sticky throttle, likely battery replacement, and general tuning are expected, making this an ideal candidate for a hands-on owner who enjoys light mechanical work. The clean title is already in hand, and at this price point, it's a solid project Ironhead with strong upside potential. Number 2. 1978 BMW R100 Cafe Racer, $5,000, Crystal Lake, Illinois. This 1978 BMW R100 has been tastefully transformed into a cafe racer, while retaining the refinement that made BMW Airheads legendary. With an extremely low reported mileage of just 6,700 miles, this bike has spent much of its life preserved in a private collection and garage-kept environment. The condition reflects that care, presenting exceptionally clean and well-finished. The custom hand-woven leather seat adds a premium, bespoke touch, while the R100's torquey boxer twin provides smooth, dependable power. These late 1970s BMWs are known for their long-distance reliability and mechanical simplicity, and this example combines that reputation with cafe styling that feels purposeful rather than excessive. For riders or collectors seeking a clean, ride-ready custom airhead, this is a strong value offering. Number 3. 1976 Kawasaki KZ750, $3,000, Vincennes, Indiana. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ750 stands as one of the most important Japanese superbikes of the era, bridging the gap between early four-cylinder performance and modern reliability. This particular example is described as running and riding fantastically, with everything in working order, including lights, signals, brakes, and electrics. Recent updates include new tires and a new battery, making it immediately usable without major expense. The KZ750's inline-4 engine delivers smooth power and strong top-end performance, while its classic styling keeps it firmly planted in 1970s muscle bike territory. With a clean title in hand and a very approachable price, this is a versatile classic suitable for riding, collecting, or mild customization. Number 4. 1970 Triumph Bonneville Bobber, $7,500, Denver, Colorado. This highly customized Triumph Bonneville Bobber blends British twin heritage with handcrafted steampunk-inspired details. Built around a 1970 Bonneville T120 650cc engine, the bike features twin Amal carburetors, straight pipes with brass tips, and a heavily revised chassis originally created by Speed Metal Customs. The result is a machine that looks dramatic while remaining genuinely rideable. Major upgrades include a converted 5-speed transmission, Boyer electronic ignition, AGM battery, new alternator, and modern regulation components. Unlike many radical customs, this bike is described as accelerating, turning, and stopping exceptionally well. While the speedometer currently needs attention and the tank has minor cosmetic flaws, this bobber delivers show-level presence with street-ready function and a clean title to match. Number 5. 1976 Honda CB754, $3,850, Fort Smith, Arkansas. Few motorcycles are as historically significant as the Honda CB754, and this 1976 example continues that legacy. With approximately 22,000 miles, it sits comfortably in the zone of a well-used but far from worn classic. The seller notes that many wear items have been replaced, including tires, seat, battery, fuel lines, and filters. Importantly, all stock parts are included, offering flexibility for collectors who may want to return it to original specification. Known for its smooth inline-four engine and everyday usability, the CB750 remains one of the best all-around vintage motorcycles. Negotiation is possible via direct conversation, and with a clean presentation, this example offers strong value for a true landmark bike. Number 6. 1967 BSA Lightning A65, $3,200, Oregon, Wisconsin. The BSA Lightning A65 was one of Britain's most powerful mid-1960s twins, and this 1967 example reflects both its charm and its challenges. The seller reports investing approximately $3,500 into recent repairs, including tires and brakes, though the bike is currently not running. It previously ran when brought home, suggesting the issue may be manageable rather than catastrophic. Cosmetically, the bike presents well, with only a small dent in the fuel tank detracting from an otherwise attractive appearance. These A65 Lightnings are increasingly appreciated for their performance-oriented nature and classic British styling. For a buyer comfortable with recommissioning a vintage British twin, this represents a fairly priced project with meaningful investment already completed. Number 7. 1981 Yamaha XV750 Virago Cafe Racer, $3,000, Jackson, Nebraska. This 1981 Yamaha XV750 Virago has been converted into a cafe racer while retaining its shaft drive reliability and V-twin character. With over 32,000 miles, it has proven its longevity, and recent updates include a new starter, new battery, and good tires. The bike is described as running great and holding a clean title. Viragos are often overlooked in the cafe scene, but their torque-rich engines and low-maintenance drivetrains make them excellent daily classics. Finished in gold and already sorted mechanically, this example offers a unique alternative to more common inline-four cafe builds at a very reasonable asking price. Number 8. 1972 Norton Commando Roadster, $6,500, Webster City, Iowa. The Norton Commando remains one of the most respected British motorcycles ever built, and this 1972 Roadster benefits from extensive professional attention. Thousands of dollars in documented work have been performed by Baxter Cycle, one of the most reputable vintage British motorcycle specialists in the U.S. Upgrades include new carburetors, electronic ignition, tires, tubes, lighting, cables, and a top-end refresh. An MGO steel tank has replaced the original fiberglass unit, which is still included. Known for their distinctive power delivery and iconic styling, well-sorted Commandos like this one offer a thrilling yet usable classic riding experience. Number 9. 1981 Suzuki GS750 Cafe Racer, $1,900, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1981 Suzuki GS750 has been transformed into a compact cafe racer while maintaining its original tachometer, alongside a modern digital display. The seller emphasizes strong performance, noting that the bike is significantly quicker than expected and runs and drives very well. With a clean title and aggressive styling, this GS750 offers impressive performance per dollar. These air-cooled Suzuki 4s are known for their durability and strong engines, making them popular platforms for cafe builds. At under $2,000, this is a budget-friendly way into vintage performance with modern flair. Number 10. 1974 Moto Guzzi 850, $5,000, Monticello, Indiana. This 1974 Moto Guzzi 850 has spent much of its life stored in a garage, accumulating just over 6,100 miles. Moto Guzzi's transverse V-twin layout delivers a unique riding feel, strong low-end torque, and excellent long-term durability when properly maintained. While the bike has been sitting for an extended period, its low mileage makes it an appealing candidate for careful recommissioning. For enthusiasts who appreciate Italian engineering and distinctive mechanical character, this Guzzi represents a rare opportunity to acquire a low-mileage example at a reasonable price. Number 11. 1972 AMF Harley-Davidson Aramaki SS350, $3,000, Lincoln, Nebraska. The AMF-era Harley-Davidson Aramaki SS350 offers a fascinating blend of Italian design and American branding. This 1972 example is mostly original and starts and rides, though it does require some tuning, likely involving points or carburetor adjustment. Lightweight and agile compared to traditional Harleys, the SS350 is increasingly collectible due to its uniqueness and limited production numbers. With a clean title and honest condition, this bike appeals to collectors seeking something truly different within the Harley-Davidson lineage. Number 12. 1972 Triumph Trophy TR6 650, $3,300, Stanfield, Minnesota. This 1972 Triumph TR6 Trophy carries personal history, having been owned by the seller since new. Parked in the early 2000s, the bike remains largely untouched, with good reported compression and a special edition paint scheme that appears uncommon. While it hasn't been run in many years, its originality and single-owner background add meaningful collector appeal. The TR6 is known for its strong torque and classic scrambler-inspired stance. For buyers looking for an honest, long-term ownership Triumph, this is a compelling preservation candidate. Number 13. 1981 Suzuki GS850L, $3,500, Brumley, Missouri. With just 6,000 original miles, this 1981 Suzuki GS850L stands out as a remarkably preserved example of a shaft-drive Japanese cruiser. Powered by an 843cc inline-4, it delivers smooth performance, triple-disc brakes, and reliable electric start. The custom yellow paint complements clean chrome and solid mechanical condition. Known for their durability and comfort, GS850Ls make excellent riders while remaining increasingly collectible. This example is ready to ride or display, with a clear title included. Number 14. 1987 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $3,500, Beldenville, Wisconsin. This 1987 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide offers classic touring capability at an accessible price. While not cosmetically perfect and with unknown mileage, the seller reports that it was a reliable hop-on and ride machine throughout last season. Electra Glides are known for their comfort, long-distance stability, and unmistakable presence. For someone seeking a budget-friendly vintage Harley touring platform, this bike delivers function first with room for future improvements. Number 15. 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $650, Wanamingo, Minnesota. Closing out the list is one of the best bargains here, a 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000 priced at just $650. With 76,000 miles, this bike has proven its legendary reliability. Recent upgrades include new shocks and tires installed in 2023. Currently, the electric starter has an issue, believed to be a wiring short, though the bike can be started with a kickstarter. With a clean title and a remarkably low asking price, this GL1000 is an excellent project or parts bike with real riding potential for the right owner. Thanks for riding along with Moto Market Explorer. Subscribe for more real-world classic motorcycle finds across America.